Hummingbirds are like tiny, vibrant jewels of the avian world. These remarkable creatures are known for their incredible agility, hovering abilities, and their penchant for nectar-rich flowers. With their rapid wing beats, they can hover in midair and even fly backward. Did you know they're the only birds that can do this? They're found primarily in the Americas, from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego. Their small size and iridescent plumage make them a delight to observe, whether in the wild or visiting feeders in people's gardens. What fascinates you about hummingbirds? Hummingbirds play a crucial role in their ecosystems as pollinators. As they visit flowers to feed on nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating the reproduction of many plant species. This mutualistic relationship between hummingbirds and flowers is vital for the survival of both parties. In addition to their ecological importance, hummingbirds also serve as indicators of environmental health. Changes in their populations or behaviors can signal shifts in habitat quality, climate patterns, or the availability of resources like nectar-producing flowers. Hummingbirds are also fascinating subjects for wildlife enthusiasts and researchers. Their unique adaptations for flight, such as their rapid wing beats and specialized metabolism, have intrigued scientists for years. Studying hummingbirds can provide valuable insights into aerodynamics, metabolism, and evolutionary biology. Overall, hummingbirds are not just beautiful creatures, but also essential components of their ecosystems, contributing to the health and diversity of wildlife wherever they are found. Hummingbirds primarily feed on nectar from flowers, which provides them with the energy they need to fuel their high metabolism. Nectar is a sugary liquid produced by flowers to attract pollinators, including hummingbirds. The birds use their long, specialized bills and extendable, tube-like tongues to extract the nectar from deep within the flower. In addition to nectar, hummingbirds also consume small insects and spiders for protein, which is essential for their growth and maintenance. For those who want to attract hummingbirds to their gardens, providing a supplemental food source can be beneficial, especially during times when natural nectar sources may be scarce. Hummingbird feeders filled with a sugar water solution can mimic the nectar they find in flowers. The solution is typically made by mixing 1 part white granulated sugar with 4 parts water, boiled and cooled before filling the feeder. It's essential to avoid using honey, artificial sweeteners, or red food coloring, as these can be harmful to hummingbirds. Offering a variety of nectar-rich flowers in the garden alongside a well-maintained feeder can create an attractive habitat for hummingbirds, encouraging them to visit regularly. It's also essential to keep feeders clean and the sugar water solution fresh to prevent the growth of harmful molds or bacteria that could make the birds sick.